Good morning. Today I'm going to talk to you for a few minutes about length word problems. When we're reading these problems, there's a lot of words and it's easy to let them start swimming around in your head and getting you confused. So what we're doing is we're reading it all together, then one sentence at a time, and drawing it, and then going back and answering the final question that was asked. Sometimes the students want to stop and put a period before they got to the end of the sentence. For example, it may say the soccer poster is 1 inch shorter, but they stopped at 1 foot. So we got to be careful with that. I think that's where they're making a lot of their mistakes. Here we go. Problem number 1. In Vivian's bedroom, the movie star poster is 2 feet tall. The soccer poster is 1 foot shorter than the movie star poster. The horse poster is 3 feet taller than the movie star poster. Which poster is taller than 4 feet? Lots of words. Let's break it down. Sentence number 1. What do we know for sure? We know that in Vivian's bedroom, she has a movie star poster and it's 2 feet tall. So I'm going to draw the poster. I'm going to put a star for the movie star and 2 feet because that is how tall it is. Then I'm going to move on to my next sentence. It says, the soccer poster is 1 foot shorter than the movie star poster. So I'm going to draw me a poster that is shorter. I'm going to write soccer on there. And if it's 1 foot shorter than the movie star poster, which was 2 feet, that means the soccer poster is 1 foot. The next sentence, the horse poster is 3 feet taller than the movie star poster. So I'm going to draw me another poster. It's going to be taller. I'm going to put horse because it is a horse poster. And if it's 3 feet taller than 2 feet, that makes it 3 plus 2 is 5 feet. So now we've got it drawn out. It's much easier to see, much easier to handle. But the final question we need to answer is, which poster is taller than 4 feet? Is it the soccer poster? No, that's 1 foot. Is it the movie star poster? No, that's 2 feet. Is it the horse poster? Yep, because it is 5 feet tall. So over here on your line, you need to write horse or horse poster. If you write 5 feet, you did not answer the question. The question did not ask how tall it was. The question is which poster. Problem number 2. Playground in the park. The swing set is 11 feet tall. The slide is 3 feet taller than the swing set. Which piece of playground equipment is shorter? So, what do we know for sure starting off? We know that the swing set is 11 feet tall. So, pardon my drawing. Here's my swing set. And it is 11 feet tall. What else do we know? We know that there's a slide, and the slide is 3 feet taller than the swing set. So I'm going to draw my slide. It's going to be taller. And if it is 3 feet taller, and this is 11 feet, 11 plus 3 is 14 feet. Then we go back to look at what's the question we're trying to answer in the first place. Which piece of equipment is shorter? Is the slide shorter or is the swing set shorter? And the answer is the swing set. So we would write swing or swing set. If you said 11 feet, that would not be correct. It did not ask you how tall the shortest item was. It asked you which piece of equipment was the shortest. So swing set, we did answer the problem correctly. Problem number 3. The purple piece of string is 10 inches long. The pink piece of string is 5 inches longer than the purple one. The blue piece of string is 4 inches shorter than the purple piece of string. How many inches is the blue piece of string? Wow. Almost like a little tongue twister. What do we know for sure? We know that the purple piece of string is 10 inches long. There's my purple string. I know because I'm labeling it purple. And I know that it is 10 inches long. What's the next thing we know? The pink piece of string is 5 inches longer than the purple one. So I'm going to draw it longer. It is pink. And if it's 5 inches longer, 5 plus 10 is 15. Then what do we know? We know that the blue piece of string is 4 inches shorter than the purple string. So I'm going to draw it shorter. I'm going to label it blue. And if it's 4 inches shorter than 10, if you're not sure, you could subtract it. And I have to regroup. And 10 take away 4 is indeed 6 inches. And then what's the question we were trying to answer in the first place? How many inches is the blue piece of string? And the blue piece of string is indeed 6 inches. So you would write 6 next to the word inches. If they had not written inches for us, we would have to write it ourselves. Our last problem for today is, on Mia's bookcase, the biography of Abraham Lincoln is 9 inches tall. The French cookbook is 1 inch taller than the biography of Abraham Lincoln. The mystery novel is 1 inch shorter than the biography of Abraham Lincoln. Which book is the shortest? So what do we know for sure, starting off? We know that the Abraham Lincoln book is 9 inches tall. So I'm drawing my Lincoln book. And it is 9 inches tall. What's the next thing we know? Well, that French cookbook is 1 inch taller than the biography of Abraham Lincoln. So I'm going to draw it bigger because it said it was taller. It's the cookbook. And if it's 1 inch taller than 9 inches, it would be 10 inches. What's the next thing we know? We know that the mystery novel is 1 inch shorter than the biography. So I'm going to draw it shorter. I'm going to label it mystery. You could do mystery novel. If it's 1 inch shorter than 9, it would be 8 inches. And then what in the world was the question we're trying to answer in the first place? Which book is the shortest? Is it the cookbook? Nope. Is it the biography of Abraham Lincoln? Nope. Is it the mystery novel at 8 inches? Yes. Our answer is mystery or mystery novel. Did not ask how tall it was. It asked which book. I hope that this has been helpful. If you have any questions, any further questions, feel free to contact me at school. Thanks.